Suite. Two and six. Service. So this is Park Deluxe Suites. So it's 55 square meters, 55 square meters. So what you have in the Park Deluxe Suite is you have a small living room. With, yes, with the master in the master bedroom. So all our beds are king and can be twinnable.
Yeah.
So here you can see there is the twinnable part. So there you will have the dressing room and the bathroom with again the bathtub and the shower with the two Japanese toilet. And on the left you will have the dressing room.
So, good, very high.
This is very high, yes, because 2 and 3 in Osmanian buildings is high ceiling. Because before in the time, rich people lived on second and third floor. The ground floor was for the shop. First floor was for storage for the shop. Second and third was for
living.
rich families.
And
4, 5 a bit less rich, and 6 was for the staff. In the time, 6 was for the staff, so it's lower.
Okay.
And here you have the mini bar with the coffee machine.
And additional restaurant.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.